has been brought under Article 49.
Thikũ ithano thutha Ekuirwo mũgwanja arĩa marakungĩirie wara mwonjoria Naushad merali na kumuiya ciringi mirioni 10 thutha kumuhurira thimũ magĩtwo mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta makamenya kana nimakarekererio na mbondi muthenya wa ruciu.
There's a ruling I'm required to deliver right now, and I also have 2 hearings of those all cases we call backlog. We have 2 witnesses whom I'm required to hear now, and it's late, 4:35 p.m. Plea will be taken tomorrow at 9:30 a.m.
Hau kafere wakiri wao Cliff Ombeta nĩrĩ igoti atĩ Ekuirwo aya gũtirĩhĩtie mekĩte kuona atĩ namba ya thimũ ĩrĩa marahũthagĩra noyo mutongoria wa bururi ahũthagĩra.
The number is clearly shown. Whichever way they try to coin it, whichever way they try to avoid mentioning it, let's come to the truth. This number actually belongs to the president. It is a fact. I have it. I have been called and been tongue-lashed on it. It is a fact.
Mugwajare ni Joseph Waswa, Duncan Mushai, Isaac Wajekeshe, William Simiyu, David Luganya, Gilbert Kirojodo na Anthony Wafula maradekana gutunya muikarigiti wa kabuni ya Samia Naushad merali ciringi mirioni 10 metwete mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV niĩ njĩtagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.